The origin of Lake Maninjau. The observation lake is a volcanic lake located in the Agam district of West Sumatra province. Just like other lakes in the archipelago, Lake Review also has a story origin. Once upon a time, there lived 10 brothers in a village located on Mount Sitinjau. The 10 brothers consist of 8 boys and their youngest sister, a girl. The first child was named Kuban and their youngest sister was named Sani. Not far from their house lived a rich man named Datulim Batang. Datulim Batang had a son named Giran.
Datu Limbatang was a very kind and generous person. He often helped his 10 or 10 brothers. In the village, after the harvest, there is a tradition of silat competition which are participated in by young people. The silat competition are friendly so that there is no revenge afterwards for the losing party. Neither do the Kukuban and their Giran too. And in the silat match that day after the draw, it turns out the Kukuban must Giran first. Kukuban apparently competed with such enthusiasm that he was defeated by Giran, and Giran was even more pushed until Kukuban's kick aimed at Giran's face.
Oh, my leg hurt. I'm so sorry. Come on. Okay, now help me.
Kukuban finally went home, carried by a Filger. Ivan thought he seriously injured his opponent, but the audience understood that Giran was only defending himself and did not intentionally injure his enemy.
The next day, Giran meets Sani to ask about Kukuban's condition.
Sunny, how is your brother?
His leg has a broken bone, so when he walks off, he has to step with a wooden stick.
I didn't into poor part.
Yes, everyone say it's accident.
Sunny, I'm lost. We've been in a relationship for quite a long time in each of Geelong Sunny village is better if we generate son.
I disagree.
Okay, tomorrow my father will email visit your brother.
Datu Limbatang blessed his relationship and agreed to the decision that Giran took. The next day, Datu Limbatang discussed Kukuban at his house.
Welcome Datu, thank you for coming to Kukuban.
Kukuban, how are you?
Yes, this is how it is. Can still walk, but I have to use a stick.
Hopefully the one on your leg will heal soon and you can work as usual.
Thank you very much, Datu.
I come here to represent my son, Giran.
Sorry, Datu, I don't understand what Datu means.
So this is how Giran and your sister Sunny have been in a relationship all this time.
Kukuban was shocked to hear what Datuk Limbatang had just said. However, in his heart Kukuban felt resentment because he had lost the silat match in the field.
I'm sorry, Datu, but Iran has embarrassed me in front of the villagers and
Kukuban, all the residents will see if you attack Giran badly. Giran accidentally broke his leg. He was just trying to save himself. All the village saw him.
Kukuban and Datu Limbatang argued about the issue of the silat competition. Kukuban also disagreed to his sister's marriage to Giran, feeling disappointed that Datu Limbatang returned home. The next day, Giran, who was disappointed when he heard the story from his father, invited Sani to meet him on the edge of a river.
Sunny seemed like your brother really hates me even though it's clear that I didn't break his leg on purpose.
I don't know, it seemed like it became very suddenly.
Sunny, why are your feet bleeding?
Yes, on the way here my foot got thought it thrown me flat.
Come here, let me treat you.
It turned out the several village residents had been watching Giran and Sunny from afar. Kukuban deliberately asked the village residents to watch over Sunny and Giran while they were treating Sunny feet. The villagers came out and caught them. Giran and Sunny were taken by the residents to the center of the village. Giran and Sunny were also treated by the village residents because they were deemed to have committed example and violent acts.
Even though they have tried to explain what really happened, the villagers still don't believe Giran and Sunny. The residents also took Giran and Sunny to the edge of the crater of Mount Tinjau. Arriving at the edge of the crater of Mount Tinjau, the residents prepared to throw Giran and Sunny into the crater, which was emitting white smoke. Moments before the villagers threw them both, Giran suddenly prayed in a loud voice.
Let the mountain erode, review this as a lesson for them.
The residents who read Giran's prayer become very special Kukuban. After saying this prayer, Giran and Sunny jump into the crater. The residents of the village were standing on the edge and looking into the crater. Suddenly, an earthquake occurred, and the top of Mount Tinjau was emitting black smoke and bursts of lava. Giran's prayer has been answered. Mount Tinjau has resolved its lava.
Mount Tinjau erupted violently with black clouds soaring high and bursts of lava crashing everywhere. The black smoke and flaming lava slowly disappeared. The eruption of Mount Tinjau was so powerful that it produced a very large hole. Strangely, the hole left by the eruption of Mount Tinjau emits clear water. The former eruption of Mount Tinjau actually produced a lake whose water is very clear. Since then, it has been known as Lake Maninjau.